Write down this question. This is 2019 one. Please try to solve this question. Every time I am solving, that is okay, but you put your effort. Write down this question. This one is very easy because in the additional information, it has not given much items. Only preliminary expenses written off is there and the building purchase. You have to make the two ledger entries. One is machinery and furniture account. That's all. Okay, now I'm going to solve this question. First, we'll prepare the statement of changes in working capital. Net increase in working capital is 1,15,000. Let me check once. Yes, that is right. 1,15,000 is the net increase in working capital. Current assets, we have stock, debtor, cash. We are not taking the preliminary expenses because it has already written off. So 10,000 minus 10,000, it will become 0. Because that written off amount should be taken in adjusted PL account. And here current liabilities. We have creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses. So stock is how much? It is increasing. 4,50,000 minus 2,60,000. And here it is, debtors is decreasing. So decrease in working current assets, decreases in working capital. And here cash is increasing. 1,35,000 minus 85,000. We'll get 50,000. And here current liabilities, creditors is increasing. Increase in current liability, decreases in working capital. 5,40,000 minus 4,50,000. Bills payable, it is increasing. So we'll write down in decrease column 95,000 minus 85,000. Outstanding expenses, it is also increasing. $10,000 minus 5,000, we'll get 5,000. Okay, if we make total 1,90,000 plus 50,000, we'll get 2,40,000. Here, how much we are getting? We are getting 1,25,000. So 2,40,000 minus 1,25,000, we'll get how much? 1,15,000. It is in decrease column, so we'll write down net increase in working capital. Net increase in working capital. Okay, meanwhile you tell is fund from operation. $65,000 fund from operation, that is wrong. Yeah, fund from operation is 10,000 more, that is 75,000. So here we have to prepare machinery and furniture account because the depreciation is given in the adjustment. Opening balance is 3 lakh. Closing balance is how much? 4 lakh. Then depreciation, we have by depreciation. This is very easier one. Please solve it. 20,000. So I got 4,20,000. 4,20,000 minus 3 lakh. We'll get 1,20,000 as balancing figure, that is to bank account. Okay, then we have a furniture account. Opening balance is 1,85,000. Depreciation is 20,000. Closing balance is 2,05,000. 40,000 is the balancing amount to bank account. Why it is bank account? Because we are purchase left hand side whatever amount we'll get, that is purchase. Debtors, how it is increasing? In the previous year it is given 2 lakh, and in the current year 1,80,000. It is decreasing. Okay, then we will write down here adjusted profit and loss account. Here in adjusted profit and loss account, first we will write down the depreciation amount. We have two depreciation, one is machinery and another one is furniture. $20,000. And any other amount is there? Yes, preliminary expenses written off.  How much? 10,000 rupees. Any other items? It is not there. So I'll write down the closing balance. To balance, carry it down. How much? 75,000. So in the right hand side, we have opening balance. By balance brought down, 50,000. No items is there, so by fund from operation. So if we total here, we'll get 1,25,000. Okay, so here 1,25,000 minus 50,000, we'll get 75,000 as by fund from operation. And now last part is application and sources of fund. So here I am going to write down the sources and application of funds. Sources, what all things we have? We have is share capital, 7 lakh minus 6 lakhs, 1,50,000. Then we have a long-term debt, because in long-term debt it is increasing, so we will get money. 4 lakh minus 2 lakh is 2 lakh. Then nothing else is there by fund from operation. Fund from operation is 75,000. Yeah, long-term debt, it is increasing from 2 lakhs to 4 lakh. It means the company has issued a loan from bank. So while issuing the loan, we'll get money. Cash is cash inflows. Okay. So we have taken here long-term debt. So if we add this, we'll get 4,25,000. Then here we will write down the application. Application, what we have? Here in the ledger, we have done purchase of machinery, we have two items, one is machinery and another one is furniture. How much both we have? Machinery is 1,20,000 and furniture we have 40,000. Okay. And anything else is there? Yes, we have land and building. Yes, building from 3,50,000 to 5 lakh rupees. 1,50,000. So nothing else is there. So we'll write down net increase in working capital. 1,15,000. So if we add this, we'll get 4,25,000. Okay, both this side it is tallied.
Are you interested in teaching? Then you have a golden opportunity to take. Join Bustudymate's Teachers Committee and get a chance to teach on an online platform and fulfill your dreams of becoming a successful teacher. For more, just fill the below form.